welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my channel, Queen Kitties 2. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because if you are a YouTuber and you subscribe to me, I subscribe back to you. Well, let's get started with the video. Well, this is math class for dogs. Okay, first, dogs. Here's your math question. And what is it? 1 plus 1. Correct. 2. Good job, you get a treat. What is 4 plus 4? Does anybody know? Yes. 4 plus 4, that is equal 8. Here's a training treat for you. What is 10 plus 10? Does anybody know? Yes. Correct. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, here's an easy one. What is 5 plus 5? Yes. 10. Yep. And here's a little easy one which I know. What is 50 plus 50? Anybody? Yes? Sorry, that's not it. You don't get a training treat. And now, tomorrow I will tell everybody their grades. Everybody can go to their lockers if they want. Actually, it's actually science class next. So would everybody stand up, please? And come over to science class. Please come over to science class, everybody. Please come over for science class. Okay, next is science class. So we are going to talk about what animals need to survive. What do people need? What do dogs need to survive? Needs to survive. Yes. Yes. Correct. They do need water, and food is one of those things. You get 2 training treats since you did it correct 2 times. What else do they need? Oh yes, correct. Sleep. Here's 2 training treats. What else do they need? Yes, they need to use the restroom in the woods if they're wild or in their people's backyards. Oh yes, correct. They also need to have a certain temperature. Huh? There's no more or less thing. What do you mean they just need to look at stuff? I'm just gonna not give you any training treats. I don't know about that one though. But next is lunch. Everybody please head to the lunch area, if they would. So everybody go and fetch. Okay, and let me go and grab the food for everybody. Okay, cooked chicken. Okay, you're full. You're full. You're full. You're full. And you're full. Okay. Next is You can go to your lockers now. Let me just pause this so they can all get to their lockers. Okay, now everybody. Yeah, who would like to test these bones? I only need 2 volunteers. Okay, you get the big bone, and you get the tiny bone, and I will give you back your 8. You will just become small and bigger. Well, I'm gonna leave you guys here, and maybe just explore a little, as big and small, and experience the life. Huh? Why do I hear barking? Oh.
It's music from upstairs.
No, let's go up here and check on the peps. What do you mean they're bullying you? What do you mean no? Okay. Whoever will tell me the truth will get 5 training treats and a master treat. Okay. Okay. Here's the master treat and you only get 1 treat. 1 normal treat. Since you're actually trying to bully, detention. That's detention. Now that's detention, I call. Well, detention is road. And detention is horrible. But tomorrow is makeover day, so you guys get makeovers today. Or right now, or whenever you want. Okay? So, you want the makeover first. Okay. Let's grab this stick and change you up. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna put these back on. Okay. What do you look best in? Actually, you actually look best in normal. You gotta agree with yourself, though. Yeah, you kinda gotta agree. Yeah, you actually like it. Okay, so you want like a thief comic book, kind of. Okay, one in front of comic books. Okay, and no collar. Okay, there you go. Everybody, take a look. Does that look as a comic book? Minnie Mouse's, maybe it's called? She's supposed to be. Okay, so the detention is over, and you want to be big again, okay. Wait, the comic book, Biggest Mouse. The character's name is Biggest Biggest Demon, Biggest Purple Demon.